Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new American Thunder system for the 2013 and 14 Mustang GT500 with a 5.8-liter supercharged engine. This axle-back dual muffler system features Outlaw Series mufflers with quad exits and high-tech 3.5-inch CNC machine tips. The system produces a very aggressive exterior sound level while the interior remains relatively moderate under cruising. If you're looking for a system to set you apart from the crowd with bold looks and